Adams, Franklin, and John Jay, who was also part of the negotiators for the United States, were in a bind. Under the treaty that they had signed with France, they were not allowed to make a separate peace with Great Britain. And France, under its treaty of alliance with Spain, was not allowed to make peace without Spain's agreement. So the Americans really felt that they were being held hostage for Spain's benefit. And they realized the best terms for the United States would be a separate peace with Great Britain. And that's what they did, despite their alliance with France. The United States and Great Britain signed the Treaty of Paris. The commissioners for both sides signed the Treaty of Paris on September 2nd, 1783. The British commissioners were disgusted enough that they refused to sit for the portrait. They were just done with this revolution completely. So that's why Benjamin West's planned portrait of the British and US commissioners only has the US commissioners in it. Vergennes, the French foreign minister, was appalled at this betrayal. But Franklin hinted to Vergennes that if he made too much fuss about it, he would be even further pushing the United States into the arms of Britain. Better to act nobly about it now and try to keep the French-US relationship strong. So France and Spain signed treaties as well with Great Britain, and the war was over.